Hello everyone, today we will make a code for remote controlled car using Python in pictoblox. You can see here, this is the code for the car. And let's run this code and check how it works. So we can see here, when I am clicking right button, the car is moving to right, and when I am clicking up button, then the car is going to up, and when I am clicking left button, then the car is moving to left side. So again, when I am clicking down button, the car is moving to downwards. Like this, we can make code for remote control car. Thank you.